Here's a really cool trick, and that will end up making you a lot more money in your life. Get out a piece of paper and you need to ask yourself this question. Write it down and write, how do I make X amount of money, your goal money, in the next whatever target it is. So let's just say, how do I make $1 million in the next 12 months? Then you need to write down 20 answers to that question, whatever comes to your mind. The first few will probably come easier, right? You might be like, okay, well, I need to sell something for $1 million. But you do that a few times and then you start running out of questions. What can I sell? I need to sell a few houses and get commissions on it, or I need to create a product, or I need to get X amount of clients that pay me X per month to be able to hit that goal. And you will find that you get a ton of ideas from this, and your subconscious automatically starts looking for more and more ways, even after the exercise is done, to be able to help you, train you, and get more money. If you want more money tips and you want to learn how to get rich, hit that follow button and make sure to subscribe.